All right, we move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Describe an activity you do. Do is past tense, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Do is future.
I was just concentrating on my topic that
Yeah,
you said.
do is not past. Do is
Present.
yeah. Now, itong bande di mat mari jandi. Okay, don't worry. So, describe an activity you do to keep fit.
Okay.
And I tell you personally, I do many activities to keep fit, but no,
Yeah.
nothing
But I
works
think
on
you-
me. Okay? I try my level best. But anyways, topic is in present tense. We
Okay.
call it present indefinite in Pakistani books and present simple otherwise. So you will speak in present tense, okay? All
Okay.
the best.
Well, I do a lot of things to stay healthy and fit, like yoga or exercise. But here I would like to talk about morning walk. Every day I get up early in the morning and go for a walk with my husband.
Very good.
Well, we both have wear jogging like suit and shoes regarding to our walk. We go for a walk in our park that is situated near about our house. It has a very big jogging track. We use it and discuss our daily routine. And in the morning, everything looks very fresh. That keep me more healthy, like the
That keeps
plants
me.
keeps me more healthy, like plants and trees that give me the carbon dioxide that makes my lungs healthy, and it also improve my blood circulation. I used to be a fat, but now I'm very fit and smart after having morning walk. There is a laughter like club. We also join there and have lot of fun there, and that definitely minimize our worries and stress over a hectic routine. I would like to suggest that everyone should have to have a morning walk to minimize
All
their stress
right.
and
Thank you so much.
worries.
Overall, it's good. Connectivity of ideas and fluency. That's it. And practice with these topics so that you become familiar. Now, see, you spoke on this topic. If they give you this topic in actual exam, you will speak very comfortably.
Okay.
Like this, you need to practice all the topics. Okay. Now, let's go on. Do you prefer to go for morning walk or evening walk?
Well, I will strongly prefer to morning walk, because in the morning everything looks fresh, and whenever we get up early in the morning, we have a lot of tasks to perform in our daily routine. If we get up early in the morning and go for a walk, we definitely energetic and have more
We
energy.
feel energetic.
We feel energetic and have more energy to fulfill our daily routine tasks.
All right. Do you go for morning walk alone or with our spouse?
Well, sometimes it's depend on the conditions.
depends.
It depends on the condition. If like we have a mind set in the morning, if we have no any other concerns there is a routine work or important tasks to do, I prefer to go alone, because sometimes he became very busy with their works, and usually we go both, because we have shared a lot of ideas and discuss over routine life, that I would like to prefer go with my spouse.
All right. I would like to prefer to go and
With
something
my
like this. So
spouse.
grammatical errors, minor, when you speak sentences at length, not in every sentence, but after 2-3 sentences there is, and then further fluency. And one more thing, in speaking part 3, try to connect your answer with the question. When I said, do you think it is important to go for morning walk alone or with your spouse? When I said it is important,
Okay.
now you're not going to give your personal story. Say,
Okay.
well, it depends. If someone
Depends
is
on-
married and he wants to go with his or her spouse, I think that's better. But sometimes one spouse is busy and cannot
routine
join,
life.
so in that case one can go alone.
Alone.
Not personal story, but the otherwise,
Okay.
right? One of my
It's not
friends, he
personal.
got the same cue card. Describe an activity you do to keep fit. He answered in one sentence. The gentleman is sitting over there. He said, I obey my wife. That is the only activity that helps me keep fit. Okay? Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank